Chirag, repeat your answer.
He reaches at the office on time, ma'am.
He reaches actually office. We don't have to use unnecessary preposition. Chirag. Okay, he reaches office on time or in time. वो ऑफिस टाइम पर पहुंच जाता है. Simple present tense. He reaches office on time.
Yes. Yes, yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So we have to avoid unnecessary or redundant word in our sentences. Next one.
Okay.
उसकी शादी हो चुकी है. बाबर, answer it. उसकी शादी हो चुकी है. बाबर, please remember to join class in time. Okay, you know, like you don't know. Okay,
Ma'am,
sorry.
today,
If there is no class, I
ma'am,
always update you guys advance, by afternoon or in the morning itself, guys. Remember that.
ma'am,
Actually,
ma'am, I got confused because today you didn't share link.
Happens, no?
That's why
Sometimes happens, no? Sometimes, Babar, I forget. Sometimes happens. We are human being.
Hmm. Yes, ma'am.
But link
Yeah.
is always the same. Okay, remember that.
शादी हो चुकी है.
उसकी शादी हो चुकी है. Babar, your turn to answer.
Yes, ma'am. She has married.
Hmm?
She has married.
You ate something in between. Chirag, उसकी शादी हो चुकी है.
She has been married.
She has been married, ma'am. She
Huh?
has been married.
Not really. Not really. उसकी शादी हो चुकी है. Okay, it is
She is
present
married.
perfect tense.
She
Already.
is married. She is
Already.
married.
No,
He's married.
as per
Already
the
is
tense.
missing.
No. Say, Vishwajit, say.
She has married already,
No.
or she has already
He's
married.
already
married.
married.
Fazal,
She
you
He's
is
are
already
gotten
married.
No. As per the
She
tense,
got
guys.
married.
She's married.
See, we can really say it in 100 ways. Okay, but today let us go as per the tenses.
She
Okay,
is
so
gotten married.
yes,
नहीं
Amit. Yeah, you are right. She has gotten
gotten married.
married.
Ma'am,
Okay,
is
present
in
perfect
case
tense.
ma'am
Yeah,
she
yeah.
is gotten married नहीं होगा.
She has gotten
She
married, yeah.
okay.
उसकी
Ma'am,
शादी
why
हो चुकी है.
ma'am, why we use gotten
Gotten
in
is
that
the third
sentence?
form
In
of
this,
got.
हो चुकी है मतलब हो गया.
जब कोई काम हो जाता है, बहुत सारी चीजों में हम got यूज करते हैं. I got my phone, I got work to do. Babar, that's how we speak. So gotten is the third form of got. Get, got, actually it is get and gotten only, I guess. Let us see the three forms of get. Three
Get got get.
forms of get. Get, got नहीं होगा, I guess. Get, gotten.
Got.
There is. I
Get
got.
gotten.
Yeah, got
Yes,
or
ma'am.
gotten goes same. Okay, they
Same,
go
same.
together, guys, parallelly. Okay, she has got married or she has gotten married. So we rarely use gotten actually. So get or got. So maybe Baba, this has confused you because we
Yes,
majorly use got. Gotten we use
yes,
rarely.
ma'am.
इसका
Yes,
कैसे होगा
ma'am.
मैम उसकी
Often
शादी
we
होने
use
वाली है.
that.
And even I use got, but today because we are doing tenses, I added gotten.
मैम in
Clear,
case we
Babar?
will use मैम इसको
Yes,
कैसे
ma'am.
बोलेंगे उसकी शादी होने वाली है.
Okay, चलो, let us do this. उसकी शादी होने वाली है. Nilofer, can you answer this?
She's going to get married.
As per the tense, Nilofer, today, please. You are right, okay? But we have to answer today as per the tense. Chirag?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah,
Going to
please.
get married.
She's about to be getting married.
Okay, still go as per the tense. Little more specific. Nizan is not wrong. Nilofer isn't wrong, guys. But as per the tense. Vishwajit? It is future continuous tense, guys.
Yes. She
Hint
is
to
going
you
to
all.
get married.
We get
She
married.
is going to get marriage.
She will be.
Will
She
be.
will be getting
होने
married.
वाली.
Okay, clear everybody? Any confusion?
He will be.
Babar, you got it?
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it, ma'am.
Okay. उसकी शादी फिक्स हो चुकी है। आज हम शादियों के पीछे पड़ गए गाइस। नाइजन ट्राई टू आंसर इट। उसकी शादी फिक्स हो चुकी है।
Marriage is being fixed.
उसकी शादी फिक्स हो चुकी है। परफेक्ट टेंस, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस। हो चुकी है, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस। चिराग ट्राई प्लीज।
Our marriage has been fixed.
उसकी शादी फिक्स हो चुकी है। अमित
her marriage has fixed. No,
वोट
no.
लगा दो ना फिर अमित।
हाँ okay, has marriage got fixed. हाँ
Yes,
चुकी है, ठीक है,
yes,
सेकंड फॉर्म आ गया।
yes. No, third फॉर्म ही है, थर्ड ही लगा रहे हैं हम। Okay, her
Okay.
marriage
Got
gotten fixed.
Has fixed.
Marriage
Today we
has
will go by
gotten
with gotten. Okay, because
Has-
even majorly I use got, but today because we are doing tenses, see automatically the gotten came into place. Okay,
मैम आज आप शादी से रिलेटेड सारा क्वेश्चन
okay. हाँ हाँ वही तो हो रहा है। That is what I said. हम शादी के पीछे पड़ गए आज।
Someone is going to get married or what?
I don't know. It is by chance. It is by chance.
most of
Okay, next one. टीचर्स अच्छा नहीं पढ़ा रहे हैं। ओके, टीचर्स अच्छा नहीं पढ़ा रहे हैं। बाबर, आई वांट यू टू आंसर इट।
Yes, ma'am.
टीचर्स अच्छा नहीं पढ़ा रहे हैं।
Teachers are not teaching well.
वेरी गुड। टीचर्स aren't teaching well.
no
Good one. Which tense it is, Babar?
Present continuous.
Good. 63. Why don't you guys say sentences? You guys have Hindi
Okay.
sentences list. Interesting
Yes.
ones, guys. They shouldn't be boring and do
Ma'am.
not keep them lengthy. Keep them short and crisp.
क्या मैं कभी वहां जा पाऊंगा?
चलो गुड। क्या मैं वहां कभी जा पाऊंगा? PAYUNGA.
Yes,
पाऊंगा।
PAUNG, yes.
Okay. So yes, nice and try answering it. क्या मैं वहां कभी जा पाऊंगा?
Will I
क्या मैं
ever
वहां कभी जा
will
पाऊंगा?
will I ever be able to go there?
Very good. Will I
Ever be able
very good.
to go there?
Very good. Very nice. Guys, Nilofer, you have a sentence? Say it, guys.
Will I ever be able to?
Nilofer, say sentence in Hindi.
Can I?
Yeah, please, please.
तो पहले
Everybody be
जैसे
ready.
नहीं रहा तो
Sorry.
तुम पहले जैसे नहीं रहा।
अच्छा, तुम पहले
जैसे नहीं रहे
नहीं रहे.
नहीं
Fazal is from Kerala, okay? So Hindi is a gadbad.
Okay. No issue, no issue.
Yeah. Okay, Kerala. He's from Kerala actually, guys. Okay. So तुम पहले जैसे नहीं रही. Chirag, try to answer it. तुम पहले जैसे नहीं रहे. Nilofer, you have an answer?
You're
Babar?
not the same.
Yes, ma'am. You are not as earlier.
तुम पहले जैसे नहीं रही. Nilofer, say your answer first.
You're not the same.
You are not the same. Okay. Babar, what did you say?
You are not as earlier.
I'm not satisfied,
You are
guys, with
not
it.
same. You are not same like last one. No.
Nilofer,
You are not same
Nilofer
like
is right somewhere. Okay, but I feel it is not as per the tense. तुम पहले जैसे नहीं रहे. See, the sentence is hanging in the air, guys. Remember that. Okay, and even I am finding it little difficult to answer. Let us all think.
same.
Hmm.
You are not same like before.
It is correct. Like Nilofer said it right already, but it is
Yes.
not really as per the tense.
same anymore.
You have changed.
You are
English में
not.
we will say you have changed.
लास्ट वन तो होगा यूज.
Okay, and I'll go with Nilofer's one as well. Nilofer, say your answer.
You are not the same.
You are not the same. But let me
Not-
tell you guys, I'm not satisfied with my own answer as well as the
You
as
are
Ma'am,
well
not
as well
the
as
but-
same
Nilofer one.
anymore.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
think I should use you are not
You are
same
not
last
the same as
to something
earlier.
use होगा.
You actually R is coming na Nilofer. See, तुम पहले जैसे नहीं रहे. It is a simple past tense basically.
You are
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
no
yeah,
longer
Fazal.
as before. You are no longer as before.
Okay, this is the best version. But still R is coming. You are no longer as
As
before.
before.
All are right, but I don't know. I'm somewhere unsatisfied with the answer. My own self, with my own answer, I'm unsatisfied because तुम पहले जैसे नहीं रही. Okay, it is simple past basically. Okay, next one. Who will ask? Chirag, you have sentence in Hindi?
Yes, मैं कल दिल्ली गया था और आज शाम को वापिस पहुंचा.
मैं कल
भाई.
दिल्ली गया था और आज शाम को वापस आया. एक्चुअली
जी.
आया ना.
Yes, yes, sir.
ओके, मैं कल दिल्ली गया और आज शाम को वापस आया. यस. अमित, ट्राई आंसरिंग इट.
I went Delhi yesterday.
I went
I had been to
Today-
Delhi yesterday.
I went to Delhi yesterday. और अगला क्या है? और आज शाम को वापस आया. And आया. I would नहीं.
Good
क्या
sentence,
होगा?
na Chirag. And guys, really use real life sentences.
I would.
That gives us
नहीं.
the best of the learning.
I
And it's easy to
came.
relate to. I went to Delhi
I
yesterday.
came today.
Vishwajit? No. Vishwajit, complete the answer.
I came today.
And
No.
thank you.
I went to Delhi yesterday and returned by
Very
evening.
good. No, returned today. Simple. But Sham लिखा है ना? Returned today evening. I went to Delhi. Am I right here?
Okay.
मैं कल दिल्ली गया और आज शाम को
Yes.
वापस आ गया. I went to Delhi yesterday and returned today evening. Okay, or this evening. So good.
I had been.
No, it is past tense. Simple past tense Nilofer. गया, आया. Simple past tense it is Nilofer.
Ma'am,
Yes. Tell me.
हम
Yes,
अलग
Amit.
अलग टेंसेस के क्वेश्चंस पूछने के मतलब डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस
Let me
डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टेंसेस क्वेश्चंस.
let me take out the list.
Hello.
Yes, Fazal.
Yes, ma'am.
Another tense question. We need to switch to the tenses. We need to cover all the tenses.
Okay.
वो पार्टी में
आप
you have sentence
आप
ready?
कितना
Fazal?
लापरवाही मैम
हाँ,
आप रियल लाइफ सेंटेंस मैम आप इतना लापरवाही कैसे हो सकते हैं?
आप कितना
आप इतने
लापरवाह LAPRAV लापरवाह हो सकते हैं.
कैसे हो
कैसे हो सकते हैं?
कैसे हो
आप
कैसे?
इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकते?
हो कर दो मैम.
आप इतने होगा ना एक्चुअली,
इतने
कितने भी
इतने
नहीं, इतने
हाँ
होगा।
हाँ होता
आप
है।
कितने
इतने लापरवाह
हाँ
कैसे हो सकते हो?
yes ma'am.
यस, who will
It's a
answer it?
very real
Yes,
life sentence ma'am.
agree Faisal, I loved this
Yes.
sentence.
Ma'am, I
Chirag,
have noted
try, yeah.
after that yeah I have 2 3 sentence ma'am, real life
Okay,
sentence.
all
Yes.
right, we'll take all. Yes, Chirag, try to
Yes.
answer it. Naizen, Babar, whoever is
Yes,
ready,
ma'am.
say it.
Yes, ma'am.
Man, how can you be
How,
careless?
how can
Hmm.
you be so careless?
It is correct. आप इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकते हो? Done. Vishwajit, your answer?
How could you be so irresponsible?
Yes. How could suits better, guys? How could
Yes, ma'am.
you be so irresponsible? Very
So
good.
Yes.
careless.
We can use instead of irresponsible, we can use reckless.
Yes, 100% we
Careless
can use
also.
that. We can use.
Careless.
Yes, next, Faisal.
Yes, ma'am. Today's Gen Zs are
आप
used.
हमेशा
Could you use
मैम
Hmm. Yes,
आप
please.
हमेशा आप हमेशा मुझे परेशान में डालते हो.
आप हमेशा मुझे परेशानी में डालते हो. Very good. It's
Yes.
definitely real life one. Try
Yes,
answering
ma'am.
it, guys. आप हमेशा मुझे परेशानी में डालते हो. Naizen,
You always get into me trouble. You
correct
always
your one word. You made a mistake by using one wrong word. Babar, repeat. Replace the word with correct one.
You always put me in trouble.
Very good. Very good.
Yes.
You always put me in trouble. Fazal, is it correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You always get me into trouble.
Yes, that can also be said. Okay, both are correct. Both are perfectly correct.
Ma'am, I said that the same sentence as used by Faisal.
But there was one word mistake. I did mention that, Babar. You
Miss-
added
I
some
think I
additional.
mismatched.
Huh?
You always put me in trouble.
Yes. Babar, you had added some additional word in it. Okay?
Yes.
Recording is there. It will be uploaded on YouTube. Okay? You can watch it, Babar. Yes, another. Fazal,
Yes, ma'am.
another sentence.
आपको सब कुछ पता है.
आपको सब कुछ पता है. Babar, answer it.
You know everything.
Good. Right. Actually, it is not solving the purpose, Fazal, we need to, roam in all the tenses.
Yes.
Ma'am, you do know everything.
Yeah. So for now, wait, Fazal, okay?
Yes.
We need to go through, all the tenses. So it's a revision for everyone. वो 6 बजे से नहा रहा है. वो 6 बजे से नहा रहा है. Who will answer it?
He has been taking bath since 6 o'clock.
Who said it, Babar?
Me,
Chirag?
ma'am.
He's taking a bath.
वो 6 बजे से नहा रहा है. Say it again.
He has been
He
taking
taking a
bath
bath
since 6 o'clock.
Yeah, he has
Still.
been. No,
He
he's
has
right. He has been taking bath.
Since 6 o'clock.
Yes, very good.
since
Very good. 70. वो 9 बजे सो गया था. चिराग, आंसर इट. वो 9 बजे सो गया था.
He was slept 9 o'clock.
No. Chirag. Okay, for clarity, I will share playlist with you. Okay, 1 minute videos they are. This weekend you have to watch them. Okay, Amit, answer it. वो 9
वो
बजे
9
सो गया
बजे
था.
सो गया था. He slept at 9 o'clock.
Mhm.
He had slept at 9 o'clock.
Who answered it?
Ma'am, Babar.
Okay, Babar, I hope you're not seeing on Google.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Are you sure? Because I cannot
Yes,
see your
ma'am.
face. Okay, you took so long and then you say
Ma'am,
right answer. Okay,
no, ma'am.
if you do cheating, the cheating is with
Uh,
you, your own
no,
self. Okay.
I can show my
He had slept.
picture.
Hmm.
There is no.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I'm in dark.
ma'am, but
I'm in dark.
Okay, I can see that, Babar.
मैम
Okay,
बट
I
हमने
just
यहाँ पे
alerted your
स्लैप्ट.
detail.
मैम बट हमने यहाँ पे स्लैप्ट यूज कर लिया, या हेड यूज होगा?
हाँ, देखो वो 9 बजे सो गया था. पास्ट
हाँ,
परफेक्ट टेंस, जो काम पहले हो गया था वो सो चुका था 9 बजे. तो
स्लैप्ट
पास्ट
मतलब तो
परफेक्ट.
सो गया ना,
हाँ,
तो हेड का यूज क्यों हुआ?
देखो वो 9 बजे सो गया. यहाँ पे आएगा, क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? बाबर
ही
आंसर.
स्लैप्ट. ही स्लैप्ट
Yes,
9.
he slept at 9 o'clock.
ओके,
Here it will
था
come.
नहीं आया.
You got
ओके
the
था,
difference
मतलब
here?
बीच में
Hanging,
छोड़ दिया उसने. मैं सो गया.
hanging. सो गया,
Perfect.
खा लिया, पी लिया, चला
हाँ
गया.
हाँ,
Sentence is hanging
समझ
in
गया
the
समझ.
air. Okay,
हम्म
72.
हम्म.
Yes. Past, present, and the earlier was past perfect tense.
चलो, वो टाइम पे नहीं सोती है.
मैम आई हैव वन.
हम्म या अमित
She
टेल मी.
never sleeps on time.
वो टाइम पे नहीं
ही
सोती है.
नेवर स्लीप ऑन टाइम.
अगर हमें टेंस वाइज जाना है तो नीलोफर, यू
He
सेड इट राइट.
never
योर
slept
ऑलमोस्ट ऑल
on
योर
time.
आंसर्स आर राइट, नीलोफर. ट्राई टू आंसर एज पर द टेंस टुडे. Okay, because we are doing tenses.
He never slept.
Make the use
She
of the
never
tense
goes.
helping verb. Yeah, say that.
She never goes on time to sleep.
Ma'am, she do not
I want you to use helping verbs, tenses.
she
Sleeping.
do not sleep on time.
She do not will come. Vishwajit.
Doesn't, ma'am. Doesn't.
Yes.
She doesn't sleep.
Yeah, she doesn't sleep on time. Okay, this is as per the tense. What you said, Nilofer, is perfectly fine. Okay, but
Ma'am, I have one.
we are doing today. Yeah, now tell me what confusion you have. Tell me.
No, ma'am, I have one line.
Yeah.
Sentence.
Okay. Please say.
क्या मुझे वहां जाना चाहिए था गलत होते हुए भी?
क्या मुझे वहां जाना चाहिए था गलत होते हुए
गलत
भी?
हो. हाँ
खुद गलत हो आप.
हाँ, तभी तो मुझे क्या वहां जाना चाहिए?
You put me to thoughts. Okay, क्या मुझे वहां जाना चाहिए था गलत होते हुए भी? Yes, guys. Vishwajit, take this challenge. Accept the challenge, Vishwajit.
Do I have to go there even though I was wrong?
No. It
should.
That is
Should
past
I
tense. Nizen, that is past tense. What you used, no, just now. That is simple past. क्या मुझे
actually
वहां
should I
जाना
have
चाहिए था?
yes, कुछ
Yes,
जाना
Faisal.
चाहिए था,
even it is
करना
wrong?
चाहिए था, मिलना था. Oh, means should have means I will give them a clue. Should have. You can use should have.
Should I have to go there even it is wrong?
Pass.
Okay, who else? Chirag,
Should
क्या
have
मुझे
Gitri.
वहां जाना चाहिए था गलत हो?
should
Even
I
I
have
am
been?
thinking, guys. क्या मुझे वहां जाना चाहिए था? First, let
Should
me
I
get.
have gone there? Should I have?
No, it is
Should
wrong.
I have gone there? Wrong, ma'am.
It
Okay.
is wrong.
Always
I-
V1 with models.
Yeah, actually, model use is coming here. Yeah, Babar, you try to answer it.
Should I go there? Even I was.
No. Nilofer,
Tell me. Ma'am, this sentence will start with should or not?
No, no. Would,
No,
would के
no.
साथ would suits the best to this sentence.
मैम चाहिए मतलब तो should होगा ना,
हम्म
would कैसे?
क्या मुझे वहां जाना चाहिए था गलत होते हुए भी?
Would I have gone
Yeah,
there?
should actually, right. Should will come here. Amit.
Should
Yeah,
have
should
it
I
re-
have gone there? It
Hmm.
I was wrong. नहीं. It
Second part
would
is
be.
wrong.
Second part is wrong. Should I have gone there?
Hmm.
It I was wrong. नहीं
विश्वजीत.
होते हुए भी.
Should I go?
It would be wrong.
Should I have
Should I
not
go there
gone
even
there?
if it is, even though
Even if it is wrong.
it is wrong?
क्या मुझे वहां जाना चाहिए था गलत होते हुए भी? Okay, wait. Nilofer, no, even you are not right, dear. Okay, should I have gone
gone
there
even
despite
it was
no,
yeah
despite
despite
being
yes,
at fault? At fault.
गलत होते हुए भी.
Yes. Okay, should I have gone there despite being at fault? This is perfect as per
Ma'am,
your question.
ma'am,
SHOULD. Am I right here? SHO.
ma'am, can you give me two more version for this sentence?
Okay.
Simple version.
Simple version. Okay, Nilofer, you
Like,
say your answer.
ma'am, in the last sentence, like despite being at fault.
Okay, in the last part you want
Yes, ma'am.
even being wrong.
Even
Even
if it is wrong.
even if I was wrong, right?
I was
Even-
wrong, yes.
Yeah, even if I
मैम बट ये हो गया गलत होते हुए भी. मतलब मैं गलत था.
even if I was wrong, it is अमित फर्स्ट सेंटेंस को एक्सेप्ट कर लो बस.
नहीं मैम.
Do that. Should I have gone there despite being at fault?
मैम फर्स्ट
और
वाला
even
मुझे
if
भी
I was
पता
wrong.
था.
हाँ?
मैम फर्स्ट वाला मुझे भी पता था, आगे का ही तो जानना है मुझे.
Okay, so even if I was wrong, चलेगा ये लिटरली परफेक्टली चलेगा अमित.
मैम इसका मतलब हो रहा है कि मुझे वहां जाना चाहिए था, मैं गलत था.
हाँ, हो तो वही रहा. That is why I said accept the first sentence. Okay, being at fault. Now you are, you know what happens in the language, guys. We should accept it the way it comes our way. We irony is we start to question ourselves. We start to question the language, and that causes confusions. Okay, I always say, like, whatever we listen to, whatever we read to, whatever we hear from people around us, okay, like who speak correct English, we should just observe, observe and absorb and implement.
मैम नो इशू मैम.
Okay, as we do. No,
That
it is a reminder to you all yet again. We shouldn't just question the language, because we never do the same when we speak our own native tongues. But for
I have
English,
one
we have
line.
so many doubts. Yeah, tell me.
I have one line.
Yes.
क्या मैं उस दिन सही था?
Okay. 74. क्या मैं उस दिन सही था?
Was right.
विश्वजीत, try answering it.
Okay,
Uh,
क्या
at
मैं उस दिन सही था?
that day, I was right.
no was
Was I
am.
right that day?
Yes, Nilofer is right. क्या मैं उस दिन सही था? Was
I
I
right that day.
right that day? This is correct. Good, Nilofer. I appreciate that you are good at tenses, Nilofer. Seriously, good job.
Here is a real life situation. So whenever we meet any bad situation in our life, so we can say हालत इससे भी बुरा हो सकता था.
So I write it.
right.
I write
हालत
it.
yes मैम. हालत इससे भी बुरा हो सकता था.
Interesting one.
Yes.
हालत इससे भी बुरा हो सकता था. Who will answer it? Chirag, you wanna try? हालत इससे भी बुरा हो सकता था.
Can be more worsen.
Say again.
Situation can be more worsen. Worst का third form.
Like you are close to the answer. There is a tense mistake, Babar. विश्वजीत, हालत इससे भी बुरा हो सकता था. And I love the sentence, by the way.
Yes,
as well.
ma'am.
हालात इससे भी बुरा हो सकता था.
हाँ.
Naizen, try.
Situation could
मैम
have
Situation
अगर
was more
It
worse.
मैम
could
It
ha-
would
मैम
could
had been worst
Mm,
situation.
it could
situation could
have
have been
yeah, you are
worse.
close to the answer,
it
Nilofer.
could
मैम
have been worse.
मैम ऐसे
It
भी
could
बोल
have
सकते
been.
हालत बद से बदतर हो सकता था, है ना? हिंदी
Yes, but this is okay.
बढ़िया.
Okay, like everybody
Ma'am,
understood it.
it
हालात
could
इससे भी
have
बुरा.
been worse.
Okay.
Had been more worst.
Yes. Nilofer, now you got it right. हालात इससे भी बुरा हो सकता था. Okay, the situation. Okay, the situation actually let us
Okay.
complete it properly. The situation could have been more worst. Okay, so have been something you missed, Babar. You understood the gap that you had here?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
the situation could have been more worse, actually, more worse. Or actually, worse meaning is more, guys. Okay, means more than that. Okay, we will not use here more. So the situation could have been worse. मतलब उससे भी बुरा हो सकता था. Worse itself has that meaning. So we will not add more here. Any other sentence, guys? Interesting one.
यस मैम मुझे आपसे बहुत उम्मीद है. सिंपल वन.
मुझे आपसे बहुत उम्मीद है.
I have a lot of expectations.
बढ़िया.
Very good. I have a lot of expectations.
From you.
I have high hope from you.
I have
I have lot of
expectations
hopes from you. Yes, even this is correct. Okay, let me
आशा.
write it. Let me write that down as well. I have lot of hopes
from
from
you.
you. Yes, hope suits better actually.
Yes.
Okay, because मुझे आपसे बहुत उम्मीदें हैं. Expectation मतलब कि मेरे लिए कुछ करो. Hope means like real help, real support. Okay,
Right.
slight difference. Although you are right, Nilofer. Okay, but there is difference in the word, guys. Okay, next please. Anybody else? Vishwajit, you have any Hindi sentence? Speak up if you have any.
शायद आपको गलत फहमी होगी.
Say again.
शायद
आपको गलतफहमी होगी. गजब.
हो गई है या हो गई?
होगी होगी.
होगी मैम.
शायद आपको गलतफहमी होगी. बोलते नहीं मैम मूवीज में
Ma'am,
आपको
Fazal.
गलतफहमी होगी.
रियल लाइफ सेंटेंस मैम. वी कैन
हाँ.
शायद
यूज
आपको गलतफहमी होगी. Okay. शायद आपको गलतफहमी होगी. Okay, even I am thinking, guys here.
Ma'am, Fazal sentence sounds like he has written for someone.
He
Maybe
has
you get it.
he
Maybe you
has
get it wrong.
Written for someone.
शायद आपको गलतफहमी होगी. Yes, guys, try. I'm also
May-
thinking. Okay, so whoever is
maybe-
ready, yeah, Nizan, say.
Maybe you get it wrong.
No, it changed the meaning completely. Nizan, शायद आपको गलतफहमी होगी.
Maybe you took it wrong, in wrong way.
No,
Maybe you.
it's changing the
maybe
meaning.
you are wrong नहीं हो सकता है. Maybe you are wrong.
You are close to the answer. Nilofer, my hope, last hope. Vishwajit is not trying,
मैम
but
मैम एक हो सकता.
उम्मीद
को like maybe you are misunderstand या misunderstood like
why don't we use perhaps? Okay, शायद it is no शायद. So perhaps.
maybe
Perhaps is the right word here. But what do we use next? Nilofer?
misunderstood ma'am.
Yes, I'm just thinking. Just a second.
Okay. शायद आपको गलतफहमी होगी.
Maybe you have maybe you are
Even I am
have
thoughtful here.
misunderstood.
Perhaps.
Perhaps you are misjudged.
मैम start तो maybe से ही होगा.
Maybe you fall. No.
मैम
Perhaps.
misunderstood नहीं हो सकता.
No.
मतलब समझ नहीं पाया मतलब.
नहीं.
नहीं है
I mean,
सर.
daily
शायद
life
आपको गलतफहमी
communication.
होगी. Perhaps
I'm in
you
good.
would have, let me try guys. You would have गलत फहमी के लिए I'm not getting the word. हाँ,
You would have a misunderstanding, ma'am.
you would have a
Maybe
misunderstanding.
maybe you face misunderstanding.
No. शायद आपको गलत फहमी होगी. Perhaps you would have misunderstanding. Yes, it's going good.
Misunderstanding, yes.
Okay, Faisal, quite tricky one. Okay, misunderstanding. Perhaps you would have misunderstanding. Next. Who else has Hindi sentence? Or Faisal, you have it ready?
मैम किसी फिल्म के जैसे डायलॉग्स होते हैं ना उसको ट्रांसलेट करते हैं वो ज्यादा सही रहेगा.
Okay. Baba, you have any Hindi sentence?
मैम आई हैव.
Okay, say please.
तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगी.
My goodness. अभी सीजेपी पे मत आ जाना अमित. सीजेपी बहुत चल रहा है मार्केट में. Okay. Shall I write it? Or you're
Yes,
kidding?
ma'am, right, ma'am, right.
तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. Yes, guys, that to answer it.
You gave me blood and I will give you independence.
तुम मुझे
No,
खून
I will
दो.
give you freedom.
Yeah,
Will give you
Freedom.
freedom.
Yes, ma'am.
And gave
Ma'am,
नहीं. हाँ.
Give.
Yes,
You
Babar.
give me
yes, ma'am. Nilofer, I think so, want to say something.
Nilofer, yes.
you give me blood, I will give you freedom.
You will give me blood, I will give you freedom.
No, Amit,
No.
no. Nilofer is right.
You-
Babar is almost right. Chirag, you say. Faisal,
you will give me blood and I will
इसका मतलब हो रहा है कि तुम मुझे खून दोगी.
तुम मुझे खून दो.
Yes,
You
it
give
is
me
here
blood.
do. Yes. Faisal,
You give me
you,
blood, I will give.
Yes, ma'am.
तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा.
If आएगा ma'am, if
No.
okay.
अगर आ जाएगा ना
It
अगर.
will go straight. It is a straightforward line, no? That's
Yeah,
why.
it must be simple. Like you give me
Yeah.
blood
You
and I
you
will
give me
give you.
blood instead.
No. You give me blood, I'll
Give you freedom.
okay, I'll in exchange, yeah, we can add in exchange I'll give you freedom. तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. In exchange I'll give you freedom.
Okay, in exchange.
Okay, in exchange I'll give
Give
you
you
freedom.
freedom.
Babar, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Nilofer, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you
Okay.
guys were also right. Okay, that was also not wrong. What you said, Nilofer and Babar. Okay, little, but Babar, little here and there your sentence was.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, another sentence, guys. Hindi. We'll do more 2 sentences, 79 and 80. Amit, you have any? Chirag, you have any Hindi sentence?
Ma'am, I have.
Okay, please.
तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया तुम्हें नहीं करना चाहिए था.
तुम्हें नहीं करना चाहिए था?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice and try.
Why you did it? You shouldn't have do that.
Why? Yeah.
Why you did it? You should not have do that.
Little mistake. Nice and Babar, try.
Yes, ma'am. I tried to make sentence, ma'am.
Why?
Chirag, try.
Ma'am, you shouldn't have done that.
Yes, better. You are close to the right answer now. तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. Yeah, last half is right. Nice. And how about first half?
Why
How
did
about
you
first
do
half?
that? Why did
No.
you
Why did
do
you
that?
do this? You were not supposed to do that.
Yeah, okay. I have better version, guys. Okay. तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you do so?
Okay.
Okay.
Why you
You were
did
not
so?
supposed to do that.
Yes. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं. You shouldn't have. Okay. Like Amit's version is little better, Nilofer. Though you are not right. You are not wrong.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay. You
Okay.
shouldn't have done that. This is what you said, Amit. You shouldn't
You
have.
shouldn't.
Nizan had said it, right? You shouldn't have done
Nizen, yes, ma'am.
that. Or
Nizen.
done. Yeah, Nizan said. Okay. Why did you do so? You shouldn't have done that.
That.
Nizan, your second half is here as it is. Okay. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now today, last sentence of the day.
मैम जिसको पता है कैसे बोलना है
Hmm.
वो दूसरे के ऊपर राज करेंगे ये दिस इज अ वर्ड कोट
Phrase,
फ्रॉम
phrase or idiom.
चाणक्य yes.
जिसको पता है कैसे
कैसे
बोलना
बोलना
है वो दूसरों पे राज करेंगे.
yes it's a
Hmm.
word from चाणक्य.
Okay, okay. Great. So guys, dare to answer it. जिसको पता है
Those,
कैसे बोलना
yes,
है वो
ma'am.
दूसरों पे राज करेंगे.
Those who knows how to communicate.
Those who
Uh,
knows. Babar, see,
yes,
these
ma'am.
are the errors that you make in between. You listen to
Those
this
who
recording, okay?
know,
Silly errors you make, Babar.
who know,
Those
how
who
to,
know, yes.
those who
Yes,
know
ma'am. Those who know
How
to
to communicate?
communicate with
They will
others.
be
yeah, what I they will be,
Mhm.
Those who know how to communicate with others.
With
they will
others
be
is
rude.
No,
unnecessary.
how to communicate others.
With
Ma'am,
others,
those
no need. We always communicate with others only. So it goes by
Okay.
default with the word
Okay.
communication. Okay? Those who communicate, वो
Those
दूसरों
who
पे
know,
राज करेंगे.
they will be rule. They will be rule
ma'am.
on us.
One
They will
who
see. Babar, B mistake is here now.
ma'am.
they will,
Okay. Yes, Nizan.
they
One
will,
who knows how to speak, he will
Hmm.
rule others. He will rule on others.
No, but you changed the pronoun, Nizan. Those
Okay.
will come. They will come. Pronoun we cannot change. Chirag,
yes ma'am.
Nilofer, my last hope. जिसको पता है कैसे बोलना है वो दूसरों पे राज करेंगे. Okay, I'm writing the first half though. Okay, those who know how to communicate.
others, how to
Hmm.
communicate. Yes,
Hmm.
they
Will.
will,
The one who knows to
they
communicate.
Hmm.
they rule on,
Mm-hmm. Those who know how to communicate.
they will,
He will rule others.
Pronoun mistake.
they
Okay.
will rule. They will rule on others.
They will dominate.
Dominate on others.
Okay, they will dominate. This is enough. They will dominate. Faisal, what is your right version? Correct
No,
version.
actually, yeah, there was a mistake. Yeah, if I translate to Hindi, there was a mistake. Actually, who knows how to speak, rule over those who don't know.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Chalo, even this is correct. Okay, so
yes,
let me
yes, ma'am.
list
Correct,
down yours
correct.
one as well. Say
Yeah,
it.
it is
Repeat it.
who knows how to speak,
Hmm.
rule over those who don't.
Rule over those who don't. Okay, it's a saying actually.
Yeah, it's a
Okay,
saying
we call it
by
saying.
Chanakya.
Yeah, okay, saying by Chanakya.
Saying
Many would
by
learn from
Chanakya,
this today.
yes.
Good one. Faisal, all your sentences were interesting. And Amit, very good that you also asked interesting sentences. You were ready with the sentences. So now I want to know what is your learning. Chirag, I'll begin with you. Tell me one thing that you learned today.
Okay ma'am.
क्या सीखा आज चिराग ने? कुछ सीखा कि नहीं
मैम
चिराग?
टेंस के बारे में सीखा. yes ma'am.
What did you learn? One thing. कोई
मैम
clarity?
टेंस
Did
के
you get
बारे
any
पास्ट
clarity? हाँ.
yes ma'am. पास्ट में मतलब कौन सी वर्ब यूज की जाती है और फ्यूचर में कौन सा कैसे मतलब वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज होती है, थर्ड फॉर्म।
वेरी गुड चिराग।
एंड
इनफ,
यस
आज
मैम।
के लिए इतना काफी है चिराग। ओके, प्लेलिस्ट आपके पास आ जाएंगे सीरीज, सैटरडे संडे प्रैक्टिस कीजिए प्लीज। ठीक है, और आप अच्छा कर रहे हो, आपने डिबेट टॉपिक्स में अच्छा खासा बोला है
ओके
चिराग।
मैम।
डू नॉट अंडर एस्टिमेट योर सेल्फ प्लीज। ओके, अभी आपकी क्लासेस ही कितनी हुई है? 3-4, ओनली
ओके मैम।
3-4 चिराग। ऑल राइट अमित, व्हाट इज योर वन लर्निंग टुडे?
ओके मैम।
Today learning, we should ready to speak in every situation, like every sentences.
वी शुड रेडी
Learn
और वी
to,
शुड बी रेडी?
we should be ready
यस।
to learn. Yes. We
नाइजन,
should.
योर वन लर्निंग टुडे प्लीज?
Ma'am, I learned which tense is sentence all about. Like after reading the sentence, this
ओके,
is like yeah.
बाबर, योर वन लर्निंग टुडे?
I'm from today class. I revised almost all tenses, and I also I was mistaken in some sentence. So in future I will be try to correct that mistake.
You know, this session was on your demand, Babar.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you happy about it?
Yes, ma'am. I will have. I happy, ma'am.
And today I did it for everyone. 7:30 p.m. batch, in both the batches, in both the other batches, I did the same tenses only. Okay. Nilofar, what is your one learning today?
Actually, because of this, somewhere I will just improve my speech, way of talking, and this was really necessary for me somewhere where I make mistakes.
Okay, and you can also say, Nilofar, that I feel more confident that I'm so good at tenses. Why we don't speak positive about us? You really
Yes,
are
yes,
good.
I am somewhere, but sometimes when we are a little bit disturbed, that time it goes little in different way.
Yes. Fine, Nilofar. Okay, Fazal, I would say thanks to you for joining the session.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And thank you so much for bringing interesting sentences in the class for everybody.
And also, ma'am, I have a suggestion to
Yeah.
my fellow candidates. Actually, you must use your maximum time here. Your people are making a long pause between the sentence. So maximum utilize the 1 hour.
So say again the suggestion, Fazal. Let it be more clear for everyone.
All are making a pause between the sentence. They are not keen to attend the section.
Okay. You
I
mean
suggest.
they are not
Yes, ma'am.
eagerly answering to these sentences.
Yes, ma'am.
They're taking
So
long pauses.
yes, ma'am.
So guys, got it? So everybody be a little more quicker in answering these in these tenses, okay?
Then only you will get a good result because most of the holidays come Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's why section you will be missing.
Yes. All right. Thank you so much. Now, guys, is there any question, any doubt? Amit, Faisal, Chirag, Nilofar, Babar, any question, guys? We are towards the end of the session.
No, ma'am.
No, thank
No, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Okay. All right, everybody. Good night. I'll see you guys on Monday. Happy weekend to everyone. Chirag,
you.
be
Good night.
happy.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
you are progressive. Do not worry at all. Okay,
Okay.
you are too new for the session, so do not worry at all. I was concerned. That's why I messaged you yesterday. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
All right, and be regular now onwards. I want to see you in every class. Okay. Good night, everybody.
Okay.
Yes.